Let's start this. What's going on? Yeah, it's kind of scary, right? AI can sing like this. Hey, thank you, Mika. Welcome back. I decided to go a little bit of an early New York stream because, you know, nowadays I kind of missing the moves. And, you know, why not? Why not try this out? Why not use this time for trading? And by the way, having said that, I'm already in a trade. I'm kind of looking for a short here. So we'll see how it goes. Interesting situation. But yeah, in a short position. In a short position, what can I tell? It is what it is. So, how's everybody doing? You're in short, I think. Yeah, I think it should go down. There's a beautiful 5-minute demand zone. It's perfectly lined up. Absolutely great level. My TP is at 149. We'll see. Kind of looks good. Head and shoulders. Yeah, it is practically. Also, it created a great fair value gap here and here as well. So I do think that we have a possibility to go lower on this one. So let's just hope that it will go. It seems like it wants to go. Wow. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this. Woo. Almost going there. Almost. Not really, but almost. Come on. We need a bit of a profit here. It needs to smash down into that level. It just needs to. There's no other way around. Come on. Come on. We need it. Looking for lows from front list announcement. Oh, I see. Oh, that's a good area to look for levels. That's a real good area to look for levels. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but should have taken a trade on a funded account as well. Well, it is what it is. I do have a different position on gold, but that's a separate thing. Ooh, almost got it. There you go. We like the profits. And I have a long position somewhere. Oh, here it is. So I have a long position on gold. But that's a different thing. This was a good one. I liked it. I really did like it. This was fun. This was a really good one. Okay. Now what, right? What should we do next? 24 2000. Yeah, it could. I mean, if we look at the higher picture, bigger picture, definitely. Yeah, look at that. This here on the hourly chart, by the way, is also a demand zone right down there. Opening up this candle is 943.75. The high is okay. It's kind of good. Okay, 43.75. That's gonna be a 1 hour bullish order block. Bullish order block slash demand zone. All right. That's what we're looking at right now. And I like it. Oh my gosh, look at that. We have a 5-minute too. Okay, beautiful. Textbook 5-minute. Absolutely great 5-minute level here. opening of this candle is 57.50. Okay, let's extend it to the right just a little bit. All right, 5 minute bullish order block. Let's just it is technically it is. No, I'll go with this. It's better. It's better. Okay, so we're definitely gonna stay bearish on this one. We'll see how it goes. We still have time. Low hanging fruit was here, but are we gonna go through? Who knows? That's an Asia low. Hold on. No, that's not Asia low. But anyway, that's a nice low down there. Better be careful. Nice. Now we'll drive lower. Yeah, I think so too. Dominic, I think we can go down. 25k. Oh yeah, let's not forget that we have a 25k level as well. Very, very good observation. Okay, 25k right there. Hey, Zakraman, so yeah, a bit of an early stream. I thought, like, why shouldn't we just do a bit of an early stream, right? Why not? It's time to do some early streaming sometime. Okay. Gold is still up there. Okay, nothing here. Nothing here, nothing there. Could be a turning point on NQ, but I don't think there will be a turning point. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, never mind. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I think I missed an entry here. Yeah, I did. Okay, entry was at 175. So let's go down for 100. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 230. I got that. I'm just measuring something here on my other charts. 176. Hold on, hold on, hold your horses. 176. Okay, this was it. Okay. Six 400 and we're gonna go down here. All right, sorry, I was just kind of measuring some distance here. But I'm here. I am here. Sorry. Are you still streaming? No, it's a new stream. It's a new New York session, early AM session stream. No. Nothing basically changed too much. I'm still doing the London session, and I just thought I'd do an early New York AM session stream. So the kill zone starts at 7 AM usually, right? So I thought, why not do a 7 AM kill zone start just to see what's going on. TP on gold or NQ gold? On gold, it's 4104. 4104 is my TP. Trade Mindset, welcome. Hello. Did you guys catch the dump? Yeah, Yeah, I just had a short position. Randall, good to see you. Yeah, I just had a nice short position on NQ. So that was kind of nice. But so far, it also seems a little bit... Hold on, hold on. Can we go lower here? We can. I also re-entered the short on NQ, but only based on my indicators. So I have 2 positions on. But only... I mean... Nothing special. This is just a test trade. NQ. Oh, it's way lower. NQ trade. Let me show you. Where's the NQ trade? Where's the NQ trade? Yeah. So my TP on NQ is 77.50. 77.50, but I had a trade earlier. This is on a different account with lower risk. Okay, so totally different type of risk management here. This is only 1 micro. The previous trade that I had for the demand zone was on another account. So this one is okay. I'm perfectly okay seeing this in a drawdown. I have no issue with that. But my TP is down there. 77.50. Hikari, hello, welcome. Boo Banana. I am back. Yes, I'm doing a bit of an early stream here. Yes. Short NQ from 203. Nice, good job, Art. Yeah, there could be a turnaround. I'm aware of that. I'm 100% aware of that. So, gotta be careful here. Gotta be really, really, really careful. Also, my gold trade is not looking good. Back to break even. It could be melting down all the way. Who knows what's gonna happen here. Yeah, so far that is it. It could turn around, I know. It could do a turnaround. I like to think that this zone should be taken out. I think. I don't know. Because I don't see a target on the upside. That's the thing. But we'll see. Sell 253. Oh, if you're selling from 253, you should be taking partial profit by now. You should have taken partial profit at 145. So even now, if you can take a partial profit, close partial. It's not financial advice, obviously, but I would have closed 250. Oh my gosh. I definitely would have taken partials here. And your final TP for the runner, I mean, I would just put it to, if I would be having a sell from there, my final TP for the runner would be 113.50. So 114 would be my final TP. If I would be holding a trade from 253. And 193. Okay, anyway. I would be getting out from everything at 114 if I would be holding those positions. Ninja Trader Cup. I passed into the fast. Nice, total 26. That is amazing. Ah, I see. That's where it's headed. Do I have chances to, I think you have, Dominic. Good morning, Steve. Hello. Fast 50k rapid. Awesome, man. And it is to get through. Yes, of course. I would do like base hits as usual. So Steve, go for base hits, 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Do not risk more than $200 or $300 per trade. Okay, that's what I would do. Obviously the bigger risk to reward is the better, but in this case, because it's an intraday trailing, I would be a little bit more cautious. Okay, so just go with the 1-to-1. That is what I would do. Obviously it's not financial advice, but that is something I would do. Yeah, definitely. Definitely, that's what I would do. Let's stop and try. Yeah, that can do. Yeah, that's also a thing that you can do in cases like this, Randall. 2504. That could be a good target. Hey, yo, welcome, Steve. Yeah, it could be a little bit of an exhaustion here. There are some juicy levels though on the downside. So yeah, I'm kind of curious, are we gonna get it or not? I think there are more juicier levels on the downside, but obviously if it goes higher, then we are going to adapt and react accordingly, right? That's what we're gonna do. Adapt and react accordingly. Yeah, NQ is pushing a little bit there. Exactly. We are reacting to this market. And so far, yeah, gold seemingly wants to go higher. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, gold is going. Yeah. I kind of like it. I kind of liking it. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Is there going to be CPI today, by the way? Are they going to... That's Canadian CPI, right? Okay, so that's Canadian CPI. But there's no US numbers, I think. Or are they going to release US numbers? It says Canadian CPI. Well, at least that's something, right? I don't think it should be doing anything with the market. Okay, that's not it. That's not it. Okay, I need to put a chart here. Okay. Can this one go lower, I wonder? Down to 113. It's kind of hard to predict. It will affect the market. Could be. Could be. Could be affecting the market. Okay, I hope I will do the right thing here. I'm trying to scalp this one down to the low of this demand zone. So, we don't know. We'll see. I think the market today moves like quite well. Decent movements so far. So I took another short on another account. But that's on a Lucid account. Trade Warrior, welcome. Another question. If I have a 150k scale account, how many 50k rapids can I trade funded? You can trade 4 more because you can have up to 5 funded accounts. So if you have one 150k, you can have 4 rapid accounts of the 50k. So the thing is, you cannot have more than 5 funded accounts across the board. It can be any plan. But the thing is that you cannot have more than 5 at the same time. If you have more accounts passed, then those are going to be in dormant on the shelf, and you just have to wait for them until you pass or blow up. Oh, not pass, sorry, until you blow up an account. In this case, yes, sorry. Yeah. This seems interesting. What is the best platform for a beginner? For a beginner, I think TradeAway is very much user-friendly. TradeAway, I mean, most of these platforms are having TradeAway everywhere. That's very user-friendly. Otherwise, and it's also, you can trade on in a browser, you know, from anywhere, basically. The next best thing I would say is QuantHour, but you know, I'm a little bit biased because I'm trading all the platforms with QuantHour. But you know, TradeAway is pretty much user friendly. The market is still bearish. At this point, I would say yes, but if we would shift higher, I would say to above 245, then I would say, yeah, we might be turning into a bullish market. So, yeah. Good question, right? We'll see. We shall see. I think it can push higher for now. We still have time. Tradable, yeah, they allow TradingView. Yes. Is this just London manipulation or bearish in continuation? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see this very soon. Still have time. Interesting area for sure. I do believe that we have a chance to go through this demand zone, I think, which is down there at 113. I guess we'll see. Do you think gold will go back up or keep falling? I don't know if it's gonna go back up there. I hope that it's gonna go back up there because I have a long position. I see some trend line liquidity, you know, being built up here and, you know, in this area. It would be great to see the market trying to push higher on gold. And I do have a very juicy level up there, but it's way up there. On the 1 hour, it seems like everybody wants to go short on gold. So why not squeeze the whole market to the upside again? Anyway, we'll see. We'll see. Would be great, that's for sure. Do you update us if you get any black? Oh, sure, guys, absolutely. If we see any Black Friday sale coming on, trust me, because affiliate business is also something I do, and I do appreciate every one of you who is supporting the channel and using the code. If anything comes up, I will let you guys know, of course. Absolutely. Before the regular announcement, wink. But really, I try my best. If I know anything beforehand, I will let you guys know, really. Thank you. Last bounce was from Friday's close. Yeah, I'm waiting for that too, Trade Warrior. The thing is, I don't know for sure yet. Really, there is not even a rumor about it. There's not even a rumor currently. Okay, so here is, sorry, let me get this off here. So here is my NQ trade. I do have a gold trade as well right here, and I do have another NQ short on the Lucid account, but that's going to be a little bit more aggressive there. I don't even know where I have it. All right, hold on. Okay. All right, here it is. So this is my more aggressive short here, but otherwise this is the regular one. So I have these positions currently. As you can see, technically at break even everywhere. I don't know. Let's see how this is gonna go. I definitely want to see the Lucid account get to the TP first. Hit the like button, guys. If you can help out the channel, please smash the like. Let's try to push up the the New York stream numbers here. Thank you so much for the support, everybody. Let's smash it. Thank you. All right, so far nothing is really happening. Not much is going on. Okay. Let's see. It's Quant Tower. It's Quant Tower, but I'm using like different type of connections. For MyFundedFutures, I'm using the DX feed connections. For some other prop firms, I'm using Rhythmic. I do have Project X connection as well. So it depends. Quant Tower can connect to multiple data feeds. and then it filled good. Oh yeah, I shorted. I actually I wanted to add to my position on this other account. My limit sell was at 177. Maybe it will go back there. I wanted to add to my position there. Gold is moving a little bit now. My NQ trades are not looking good now. Back to break even. But I do want to see gold moving higher. Kind of like it. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. NQ is not looking that good right now. I was in at LN. I thought how when I saw it coming down, I want to take it to. Ah. Oh, oh man, 6K. Yeah, I can feel you there. Yeah, man. Well, there's always the next setup. Took a few points and I failed. Oh yeah, sorry, I read that. Okay, so yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens in a drawdown again. Maybe I will put back my limit sell. I want to put a limit sell at 77 on the other account, because I want to add to the position, or maybe just for risk to reward and risk management purposes, I might going to kill the first micro and just leave the second micro. Ugh. Okay, so far that's it. I thought that we're gonna go through that demand zone. We're not. Seems like we're going back. But it's fine. Yeah, gold is okay. Gold is all right. Should be going down. If not, it's fine too. You're long again. Let's see. I think it can have a squeeze up there. Super easy. It actually swept these lows, inverted this fair value gap, so it can very easily go up there. Hey Nora, I have a short on NQ and the long on gold. But basically the NQ trade is not looking so good right now. As you can see, it's now going into break even and who knows, drawdown maybe. I have a gold long position here as well. I'm short on NQ and long on gold. But it's not it's a low probability trade, so that's why I'm only like, it's a very small position. Small position. What's the TP for gold? Is 4104. I just want to see it go way up there and by the way, way higher. So 4104 is my level on gold TP, that is. So yeah. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right. I like this. Come on, drop it down. Drop it down to that demand zone. Mr. Smith in the flash. Oh my gosh. Hey there. What's up? What's happening, Mr. Smith? Ugh. So I thought, why not do an early New York stream just to see what's going on, right? Okay. Come on, drop it down. And if anyone is curious, why the heck am I doing this? It's because we have this demand zone. We have a low down there and we have some other juicy levels a little bit lower, but we'll see. That's the plan. The pressure is real. The pressure. Okay, we'll see what happens. Pretty much sideways action on gold. I'm probably just bouncing up. Yeah. This is why it's a bit of a coin toss here. Are we going to go through or not? You know, are we going to be able to go through this level or not? Kind of brings us to a coin toss situation. But we shall see. We shall see. In the meantime, pretty sure we can. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna fix up a drink and I'll be right back. All right, smash the like, subscribe. I'll be right back. All right. Here we are. Okay, what happened? What happened? Do I need to call the market makers or what? I don't want to. Okay. But maybe I will need to. What is going on with my... Okay, never mind. So... the best thing is to stay away. Oh, yes. Yes, that is true. Train mindset. Yeah. Call them. Okay, what should I tell them? Tell me. Tell me what should I tell them, and I will tell them if that what you told me. Hey, Trading Star, what is this stream? I don't know, man. I just thought like, hey, why not do a bit of a stream in the early New York session? Now, usually when I finish at MyFundedTV, some major moves are already done. So I thought like, hey, let's check this out, right? So here we are. How's it going? Fall. Dominic is saying, just fall down, please. That's what Dominic is saying. Hey, don't worry, I'm not going to put on a show, but we're definitely praying in the back. This time's great. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think so too. Should be working out fine. So, tell them to dump NQ. I can call. Where's my flip phone? I thought I have one, but I don't know where it is. Yeah, I'm starting to have some concerns here. Because I knew I had a flip phone. It's not here. Alright. Don't worry. I'll find it. It's here somewhere, I think. Oops. That was my lucky coin. That was my lucky coin. All right. I need to find it, man. It's not here. I can't find it. Maybe now. Okay, maybe now. Don't worry. Oh, this is my other phone. It's not here. Can you imagine? I still have these HD cameras, you know, I don't know. I actually have two of them. Ooh. I actually have like two of these. It's for my OnlyFans page. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know where's my flip phone, so I don't know if I can call them, but I sure hope that they see the stream. Yeah, don't drop it. All right, we need to see this go a little bit lower. Tomly fans, yes. You need a link? All right. It's still in the making. All right. What is going on? What is going on? Are we gonna go lower or what? Gold is basically stuck here. We still have time until 8 AM in the morning. Eastern Standard. Let's smash through that level. We should be destroying this demand zone down there. Go down, please. Just go. Oh my god. Missed my TP with 1 tick. Can you believe that? Interesting. Anyway. It will hit. Let's see. Come on. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. Missing my TP with just, I mean, anyway. Missing my TP with 1 single tick. That kind of sucks. 15.25, the low of the candle was... Well, actually 1 point. Wow. This sucks. Something new? I don't know. What can I... Is there something new I can tell you guys? I'm not sure. Oh man, what a bounce. Kind of pisses me off. All right. Okay. Okay, this is crazy right now, by the way. This is absolutely mental. I need to close this. What is going on? Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out. Hey, Gabor, hello. A little bit early, but you know, why not? Next station on Wall Street for trades today. Yeah, exactly. My stop loss on gold is not too far. It's at 65.8, so it's not far. 65.8. It seems like it's going into a drawdown now. Oh no. Oh no, Dominic. Ay. My entry is your stop. Oh my gosh. Again, more pressure, you know. Well, I guess the macro, if there's such a thing, has started, right? The good old macro has started. We have 9 minutes. Hey, Camilo, you're a geld. Welcome. Yeah, Lucid has the 40% sale. Yes, 40%. Still going. Yes. 40%. One-time payment. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. Come on. Just go through down there. I don't want to call the market makers again. I don't want that. This is not my thing to come. Just go through that level. Why is it so difficult, NQ? I am the Orton. Hello. Hey, what's up? Good to see you. How's it going? Can do 1 day pass. Yeah, I think there's a 40% consistency. Yeah, something like that. Lucid is 1 day pass. Oh, come on. Are you serious? Oh. If this one is not gonna hit TP, I'm gonna blame Trading Star. I don't know why. It just feels good. So Come on. No W. What? What does that mean? Holding my breath. Are you kidding? Let's go. Yeah. What is this? No WC for Hungary. What do you think? What do you mean? Oh, World Cup. Sorry. Yeah, no World Cup. I'm not following football, by the way, or soccer. But I did read the news. Yeah, not surprised. By the way, Hungarian football is like, let's just say, like, it's one of the worst in the whole world. So unfortunately, that's the only thing I can say. Like, Hungarian football is not so good. Not so good, unfortunately. And so, yeah, what you see right now is a completely different type of trade. I mean, yes, it's a short trade. It's the same trade, basically. Not the same trade. This trade is based on my indicators. This is why I have so much room here. This is on a different account. And this is completely different. And we still have the gold trade. Estonian verse. Oh, I don't know. One thing's for sure. I think our football players, well, I'm not saying they are that bad, but the thing is, I think in Hungary, it's overrated. I think they are a little bit overrating our players. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Why is it that Hungary is having such a hard time lately to achieve a better place in the World Championships? Yes, we have a few very good football players, but anyway, not my thing. Yeah, sure, I can do that. Let's run through some levels. So on NQ, we just, let's see, what was the low here? Okay, so on NQ we destroyed this 5-minute demand zone, so this is over. Okay, that was one level. We have the 25k, nice round number there. Okay, so that's kind of a cool thing to have. But otherwise, if you switch to the 1 hour chart, this here is an absolutely picture perfect demand zone or bullish order block on the hourly chart. So that level at 943 looks absolutely juicy. And if you go down to the 5-minute, is this the 5-minute? Oh yeah, sorry. If you go down to the 5-minute here, from last Friday at the 9:30 open, yeah, almost. Absolutely picture perfect. It doesn't really get any better than this. This is the absolute perfect demand zone down here. This actually initiated the push higher. So if, let me just go back, if the market would be going lower, these targets like down at, where is this at? Sorry, let me just put a line here. 754.50 on the micro would be a very good level. 943 higher, 25k. And if you really want to go short, then the low-hanging fruit would be the consequent encroachment level of this wick, which is, I don't even know. Let me put this here. Right there. Okay. So that would be a consequent encroachment of the 15-minute bullish pin bar. Why am I saying this? Because this bullish pin bar here started a really strong push up there. So the mid-level of the wick definitely means something. in my opinion. So 15-minute. Okay, let's go with this one, and boom. And that's down there. So that's the level. On the upside, it's a little bit different. There's only a 1 hour CB up there, which is way up there at 500, above 500, and we have a 15-minute supply zone. That is it. So these are the only levels that I'm checking on NQ right now. On gold, almost like the same situation. We do have a 5-minute demand zone, failed to break it, so I think gold can anytime just go down and take that 32, which is not going to be good for my long position, but I don't care. And there is an absolutely picture perfect supply zone way up there. Absolutely perfect. Just saying. So these are the levels that I'm kind of looking at right now. And let me just switch back to our previous programming. Hey, Mr. Brownie, welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. Absolutely. Yeah, we gotta have to wait a little bit here. So here comes the new hourly candle. This is gonna be fun. Yeah, Jack, a little bit early stream today, I was like, hey, why not try this one out as well? But so I'm not gonna do a stream after the My Funded TV segment, but I thought like, hey, why not do a stream a little bit earlier and see if we, I mean, I saw some levels happening after 7 a.m. or around 7 a.m. So I was like, why not just shoot up the stream, because I'm gonna be here anyways. So, you know. We already had 2 short positions on the stream in the New York early session. So in this stream, we had 2 beautiful short positions hitting the TP. I'm still having a small long position on gold and another short position on NQ, which is a very, very small risk position. That is it. That's all we have. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, hopefully. I'm really hoping for that. Yeah, Gabor. So if you can help out the channel and, you know, we might have a much stronger growth here, then please smash the like button and make sure to subscribe. Thank you, thank you. Okay, look at gold. It seems like we might be, okay, a bit of a move, still not much. Okay, we do have the hold on. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, so the Comex floor exchange opens up in 18 minutes, by the way, on gold. So that might bring some volume into the markets. Oh, there's a huge storm out there. Wow. Wow. Oof. It's raining like hell. Oh my gosh. Huge storm approaching my area here. Jesus. Oh my god. Hold on, I have to check the windows. An absolutely huge storm is approaching. Just a second. Okay. This is gonna be interesting. Guys, please do not be surprised that there could be some power outage. Yeah, I am in Hungary, Central Europe, Hungarian, you know. Yeah, maybe. Absolutely huge storm. Mega storm outside, guys. I can actually show you if you want it. I have a droid cam. If you guys want to see it. Oh my god. Yes, I live in Kecskemét. Where's the droid cam? Oh my god, it's droid cam. Droid cam. Okay. I can't even show you guys the... Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys don't see it, I guess. But anyway, now it's a little bit better. But wow. It was sunny, sunshine and everything. And now it's total crazy. Oh my gosh. Absolutely crazy storm. You guys don't see it properly, I think. Uh-oh. But anyway, it's very rainy. Absolutely crazy. Anyway. This was show and tell. But it was you know, it was sunny like 30 minutes ago. All right. Oh, big winds cold. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it has a good noise filtering. It does, but the problem with this is that there could be a power outage anytime. Oh my gosh, it's whew. The lightning is wow. Okay. Good morning, Moses. Hello. Oh my gosh, it's the end of the world. Let me check the radar. Okay, I can show you guys what's happening. Here's what's happening right now. Here I am. That's where I am right now. Right there. And look at this. Oh my Jesus, holy. Whew. You should have seen this. I'm actually scared. My plan on New York Open? Trying to stay alive. Actually, I will see if we can short this market. That would be the next plan. Oh my god. Oof. Jesus. That was lightning. All right. Yeah, I like it too. All right, let's go. Oh my gosh. This lightning is crazy. I'm more occupied with the weather. Honestly, guys, I don't know what the hell is going on. Whew. I mean, look at this. I don't see it. I don't think you see it. There is lightning here and there. Wow. Oof, that's lightning. All right. Jesus. I think it's ice as well. It's a huge rain. Anyway. Let's see what's happening on gold. Nothing. Oh, that's lightning. All right, anyway. Life is awesome. Life is good, but it could be better, right? No, life is good. Oh my gosh. How's the radar? Okay. All right. Amazing. Amazing weather. Nice job on the 630, Dominic. How do I get that? It's a browser image. It's from a weather website. It's a Hungarian weather service website. Look at that. This red here, this red thing, this is where I am. It's just getting here right now. And there's another one down there, which is coming. Just getting here, and this is coming as well. Maybe it will pass this way. I don't know. That's gonna be amazing. Yeah. So that's where I am, and boom, I just got it. Boom. Oh my gosh. What a storm. Hey Damon, what do you think of all the drama with Top Step? I think it's I think it's over complicated. I think people are putting more emphasis on this than it should get. I think it's not a big deal. So what? It's basically only because Project X is going to be exclusive for Top Step. Who cares, right? I mean, many people think in social media that, oh, now it's going to be the end of prop firms, or now it's going to change everything. No, it's not going to change anything. Nothing is going to change. All the other prop firms are doing their own. Actually, you know what's going to happen? Which is already happening now. Every prop firm is going to make their own trading platform. And nobody cares about what TopStep is going to do or Project X is going to do. Not that I think TopStep is bad or anything. I don't think they're bad. But this was something that was anticipated. So imagine lending out your platform to the competition just to rug pull them a little bit, just to shake the ground underneath all of them a little bit later. This was actually in between prop firms. This was a business thing. Otherwise, it's not going to change anything with the prop firms. The top 10, top 20 prop firms are still going to go the way they were. They're just not going to offer new Project X accounts. That is it. Big deal. And I can tell you that some prop firms, without saying any names, are already building their own trading platform. Some of them have it already. So it's not just Project X. Everybody's going to have just because the same issue, just don't have the same kind of issue anymore. Everybody's going to have their own platform. Nobody really cares about if TopStep is not giving Project X away. Project X wasn't such a good platform anyway, as far as I've heard. I never traded on Project X, but so who cares? You just move on. That's what I think. It's not a big deal, in my opinion. Hey, thank you, Trading Star. Yeah, TradeAway is good. TradeAway is still looking to trade with the top prop firms out there. Nothing is going to change just because Project X goes away exclusively to Top Step. Nothing. Everything stays exactly the same. It's just a drama on Twitter. Oh, Jesus. Oh my gosh, there was a huge lightning. You don't hear it. Yes, yeah, exactly, Debadeep. I agree with that. I agree. Yeah, so TechT, the thing is, I never really used them. Have you withdrawn from the Funded Futures? Yes, I've withdrawn multiple times. Trade Mindset, yes, multiple withdrawals from Funded Futures network, yes. Yes, yes. Ah, you're from Page. Nice. I actually wanted to go to Page this weekend. I had a meeting, but the other party canceled it to another weekend. So the thing is, I will go to Page in a few weeks, by the way. Vacancies in Madagascar. Wow, Madagascar. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. That could be real nice there. Consistency, yes, yes. 40% consistency on the funded account. Also on the evaluation account too, Jack. Yes, which for me, it's not a problem at all. But there is a 40% consistency, yes. Yeah, it's, I mean, Ninja Trader is kind of smooth compared to other platforms. It's usually smooth execution and stuff, but I mean, I really like One Tower. It's really good. So I'm not gonna say, I'm not saying I will never ever trade on any other platform, because I might gonna have to trade on TradeAway, because it seems like that's where some prop firms are gonna be heading to, at least for the time being. So I might gonna have to try some TradeAway accounts as well. But yeah, I wish Quantower would be able to connect through, is that CQG data feed? I think, I don't know, but it would be great for Quantower to do that. That would be really amazing. Yeah. Yeah, Trader Mindset. So Trade Mindset, it's buy one, get one for free right now with Funded Futures Network. No activation fee, by the way. So for $75, you get instantly, not instantly, but 2 50K accounts. You have to send the receipt back. You send the receipt back to support@fundedfuturesnetwork.com, and they're going to send you 100% discount code for one-time use only. So you can get 2 accounts for the price of one. The catch is, if you blow up your initial account that you've paid for, and if you cancel the subscription, they are going to take away your free account. Okay, so that's the catch. If you blow up your initial account that you paid for, they're going to take away your free account. So there has to be an active subscription. That's the catch. All right. even if that account is blown up, but you still need to have the subscription active for the next rebill. Actually, I Project X, but not TopStep. Yeah, by the way, just saying, I do have Project X connections right now. So I have TRADEIFY funded account. Oh no, TRADEDAY funded account. I do use it with TRADEIFY. So I had no issues through Quantower. So yeah, CAT CPI news are coming real quick here. So we'll see how it goes. Let's check on NQ. NQ is still here. Let's clean up the chart. We have so many things right now. Look at the rejection on the mid-level of the 15-minute wick. Boom. Just went up there. It kind of means something. It's Canadian CPI. I don't know. I don't know. It should not be affecting NQ and ES that much. It should not. But who knows? You never know. Yeah, we have the same level on ES. I think we could go lower. I like to see NQ going lower. We'll see. Gold, yes, gold a little bit. Yeah, let's open up gold. I think, yeah, we're in a drawdown. Yeah, we'll see. Well, if I lose this, it's fine. Today we had like how many? 3, 4, 5. We had 5 winners today. 5 winners. I think we're all right. No losses, so we can lose this one. We can lose this. Okay. NQ is way down there. I'm not seeing anything special. Gold will be interesting. Now there is a short signal on gold, by the way, based on the indicators, but I'm just gonna leave it for now. And let's see how this is gonna go. I think it wants to go down. There is a zone down there on gold. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna close this gold trade. Who knows? Should I close it? Should I not? It's not a big deal. Still kind of hesitating. Less than 3 minutes to go. We shall see. Okay. Okay. All right. A little bit more than 1 minute. I don't like the way it looks, to be honest. If I lose, I'm not gonna blame you. At least not on the next trade. Yeah, okay, I get it, Trading Star, I get it. Okay, we'll see. No promises. This is gonna be fun. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this trade on. I do have an opposite signal now on gold, because this is based on the indicator. I do have an opposite signal, but I think I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So if it takes it out, it's absolutely fine. Completely okay. Actually, you know what? I might gonna close it. Yeah, I'm closing it. Closed it and entered a sell position based on the indicator. Here we go. I just did what the indicator told me. Right? I just actually did what the indicator told me to do. So closed it with a very, very, very small loss, and now okay, only with one. Okay, that's fine. Oh, that's fine. All right, we'll see. Don't worry, guys. It's only based on the indicator. Okay, it's not my own trade. There was the short signal. I can show you, I can prove it. All right, before anyone goes absolutely nuts. This was the idea. Here was the short signal right there. All right, that was the short signal. Stop loss usually goes somewhere around there, and the TP is obviously way down there. Usually try to aim for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio from this area. Let's just go with, like, I don't know, 240. That's just 53.5 area. Okay, let's go like this. So this would be the TP. All right. Okay, so that's the reason, before anyone starts to think that I went crazy, which I did, but because why would I close down a perfectly fine position, right? 89, okay. Okay. Actually, I can go to 55 here. Now, let go down. Okay, that would be even better. Okay, so this is the trade on gold. Anyway, yeah, I think with $630, I would call it a day. Dominic, I would definitely call it a day. Not financial advice, but I would definitely call it a day for sure. For sure, man. Why would you want to bring it, give it back to the market? I'm not saying that you would give it back, but statistically, why would you risk it? It's a good day. There's always going to be a nice opportunity. You know. The next best opportunity. All right. That is an awesome day. Yes. I would definitely say that that is an awesome day there for you. Okay. Let's just wait a little bit, just a little bit. Okay. Hopefully it will go down. Who knows? You just ate? Let's go. That's good. Eating is always good. Especially when it's healthy, right? Oh, yeah, yeah. That's what happens when you eat and, yeah, just fall asleep. That's the thing. That is the thing. Okay. Oops. Just a quick phone call. The market makers. Just a second. All right, I'm here. Market makers were asking about the weather. Have you been to the gym lately? Not so much. I know, I should be. Unemployment on Thursday, PMI on Friday. Yeah, I have to go to the gym, man. There's no excuse about it. No excuse. I just have to go. Wrong question. Wrong question. Anyway, yeah, we have this trade, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, so I'm gonna be at My Funded TV in about 22 minutes. Food, right topic. Exactly, that's the right topic. That's the right topic. Government shutdown ended, so, but you know, we don't know if there's no US data for now. But I mean, yeah, we're gonna have some data, but is that gonna be enough? You know. Yeah, Forex Factory does that sometimes. Let me see. Hey, it's not loading on my end as well. Look at that. I tried to update, refresh. It's not loading. Okay, nice. So it's not loading. Okay, Forex Factory is officially being hacked. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. This is, by the way, this is it's coming and in my place here. Look at that. Here I am somewhere and I just have this thing here coming right above. So anyway, I don't know, I might gonna have a power outage or something. Son of Wall Street. Oh my gosh. YPU? YPU. What the? I'm sorry, I'm still sleeping. I'm still slow. It's what? It's Mick. Oh, it's Mick. Oh my gosh. Hello. Mick-san, welcome. How you doing, man? Where have you been? I know this YouTube thing is messing up everybody's name. It's not me. I'm not doing it. It's YouTube. Yeah, I don't know. It's not me. I actually emailed YouTube, no answer. But it happens on many other streams. They just technically deleting the custom names. I don't know why. Which platform? I'm using Quantower because I'm able to connect to multiple prop firms at the same time. I can use the built-in copy trader as well. So for Quantower, I mean, for me, it's very good. It's very good. Yeah, not just there. I checked it on other streamers as well. It seems like many other streams has the same issue. Not everyone, by the way. I do see streamers who are not having the same issue, but some of them are. I refreshed my API keys because I heard that maybe that's what I should. I refreshed the settings. Everything has been refreshed. Still, I updated OBS multiple times. The OBS bot as well, the Streamlabs bot. I checked everything. It's still not going back to normal, so I don't know why. Doing good? Nice. No problem, man. It's still good to see you here. Yeah, I know. I understand. Hey, it's awesome to have you here. Does Quantower work only with Rhythmic or also with TradeAway? Only with Rhythmic, but not just Rhythmic. It works with CQG. Oh no, sorry, not CQG. DX Feed, Project X, and some other data providers is supported or are supported, but not TradeAway. TradeAway is something different. Anyway, everybody, I just want to say I'm gonna call it here because I need to make a few phone calls and I need to go to the bathroom and stuff, and I'll be at my funded TV shortly in about 16 minutes. All right. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be at my funded TV at the open. See you guys there. And you know, stay safe. If you want to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO, right? All these prop firms, including MyFundedFutures, there's no discount, but if you type in the code, that gives me some credit. I do appreciate it. I'm very grateful for that. So use it at TRADEIFY, FundingTicks, Lucid Trading, and all the other prop firms everywhere. Thank you so much. You are awesome. Love you all. And I'll be at my funded TV shortly. Cheers. God bless.